Hello everyone, in this video we'll learn how to configure SNMP version 2 on Cisco CBS350 switches. This setup makes it easy to monitor network devices remotely. First, open your web browser and access the switch by entering its IP address. Then, log in using your admin username and password to access the system. After logging in, switch to Advanced Mode to access all configuration features, including SNMP. Now, from the left sidebar, select Security to access the security settings. Next, scroll down and select TCP UDP services to access the device's network services. Then, check the SNMP service option to enable this service on the device. And don't forget to click Apply to save the changes. After enabling the SNMP service, now we'll move on to configuring the SNMP community. This is where you define who can access and monitor the device via SNMP. Now, from the left sidebar, select SNMP to access the configuration options for this protocol. First, check the settings under Trap Settings to make sure the device can properly send SNMP notifications when events occur. Make sure these options are checked to enable SNMP trap notifications when network events occur. Next, go to the SNMP Communities tab to create a community string. Click on the plus icon to create a new community. At this step, under SNMP Management Station, you'll see two options. All allows SNMP requests from any device. User-defined restricts SNMP access to specific predefined IP addresses. For this tutorial, I'll choose All to keep the setup simple and make it easier to test SNMP access from any monitoring tool. In the Community String field, enter the string you want to use. This acts like a password that monitoring tools will use to query data from the switch via SNMP. In the Basics section, select the access mode you prefer. In this example, I'll choose Read Only to allow monitoring without making any configuration changes. Next, you'll see the View Name option. Make sure to check it and select Default or an appropriate view name if one is already configured. After finishing all the configuration steps, don't forget to click Apply to save your SNMP settings. Finally, click Save at the top right corner to store the configuration into the device's memory. This ensures your SNMP settings won't be lost after the switch restarts. That's it. I hope your SNMP configuration goes smoothly. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video to support the channel. Thanks for watching.